Hello, my name is Yakira Cuello and I'm going to talk about the Dominican Republic versus Haiti. Dominican Republic and Haiti, the same island, two different countries. While the Dominican Republic is a beautiful country with its beaches and very active tourist place, Haiti is a country that also has beautiful areas, beaches, but unlike the Dominican Republic, tourism is not very active there. And just as in the Dominican Republic, there are nice people and beautiful cultures. Haiti also preserves its square, hotel, and beaches with very striking people and culture, except that they are not well known since everyone sees above. The Dominican Republic and Haiti share the same island, but are countries with their respective attractions, except for the fact that the Dominican Republic has different routes or ways to visit it, unlike Haiti, which unfortunately does not have this. But despite the Dominican Republic But despite the fact that IT has its attraction, it also has problems unlike the Dominican Republic. IT's economic is not the best. As most of you know, the Dominican Republic maintains its good infrastructure, while IT maintains a poor infrastructure. Regarding to the climate, despite the proximity of these two countries, the climate is different due to its territorial position. Haiti, unlike the Dominican Republic, has a climate that is more vulnerable to natural disaster. Remember, the Dominican Republic and Haiti, the same island, two different countries. Thanks.